Booking a search room. If you wish to view documents in person at our offices, you can pre-order them and they will be ready for you when you arrive. Only documents held at Rhuthun are available to view at Rhuthun, and likewise for documents held at Harden. If some documents you wish to view are at Rhuthun and some at Harden, appointments will have to be made to visit both offices. When you find a document in the catalogue you wish to view, you can order by clicking the Ordering and Viewing tab. Make sure you are signed in or all options will not be available to you. Select Visit and View. This will take you to a simple 3-step booking form. You should only order an item where the level in the details states item or piece, and you cannot order complete collections or a series of documents. You can also order more than one item to view by adding the items to your wish list. Simply click the Add to Wish List button to the right of each item. You may come across records which state, "Sorry, this document cannot be ordered." This might be because you are trying to order a whole collection rather than a single item. If this is the case, go to the Browse Catalogue tab and open a drop-down list further to select which items you need. Each archive collection is arranged into a hierarchy, so you can see how the items connect to each other. Once you've added all the documents to your wish list, select the items you wish to order by clicking the corresponding box in the Order column. Once you have selected all the documents you wish to order, click Order at the top of the column and you'll then be taken to the booking form. Once you have reached the booking form, you will be asked to review your order, choose a preferred date and session. You can select either morning, afternoon, or both, and your selected date and time will appear to the right of the screen. Remember to take note of where the document is held at and make sure that branch is open on that day. Documents can only be viewed at the branch they're held at and can't be transferred between branches. You can also request any optional facilities like microfilm, map table, or computer. Lastly, you can add a note to staff before confirming your order and clicking the Place Your Order button. This could be a note to ask staff for further advice or to say you will be arriving at a certain time. A confirmation page will then appear, as well as the confirmation email being sent to you. If you have any queries, please get in touch by clicking the Ask Us a Question tab at the top of the home page.